Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a healthy milkshake / smoothie. So yeah, let's jump into it. So you guys are going to need a blender. I'm using a Vitamix blender, and this is a really powerful blender. And if you have the exact same blender as me, you know that there's a smoothie mode. If you press the smoothie mode and press go, which is a square, it'll automatically go from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 to 7 to 8 to 9 to 10. And then there's a certain time, and then once it hits that time, then I'll just turn it off and you'll have your smoothie. But the ingredients for the smoothie are going to be some mixed berries. You can use mixed berries or you can just use one type of berry. I'm going to be using mixed berries. Also, you guys are going to need a banana. You guys are going to need a strainer. You don't have to have a strainer, but I usually like straining it so that all the other excess like fruits, if it doesn't get blended, can all just go here. So I don't have to suck that up. And you're going to need some milk. Now, if you guys are like dairy allergic or you just don't want to have like milk because you think it's unhealthy, you're going to have almond milk, but I'm using the normal milk though. But just saying, you can use almond milk if you want to. You're going to need some Greek yogurt, as I have right here. Now this is 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt you guys are going to need. And if you guys want to have a treat, then you guys can put in the ice cream. I will be putting in some ice cream today, but I recommend only a tablespoon because or else then you're taking away all the healthiness of the smoothie. And then you guys are also going to need a cup. It's a Starbucks cup I have, and the milk percentage that you're going to need is going to be 400. You're going to need 400 ml. And this is the lid and the straw. So yeah, let's jump into it. So I'm going to take off my jug, put that there, put this on the side, and then you're going to open it up, take off the lid, and put in your banana. Cut it open, put the peels away, and bam. And we have a nice banana. Now we're gonna break it into little pieces, so this will help it blend better. Making that weird noise. So we can put that there. I'm quickly rinse my hands. Thank you, Mom. And so yeah, after that, we're gonna put in our 1 cup of fruit. So I'm gonna use 1 cup of fruit. I'll use this 3D blend, not this 3D blend, this 3-berry blend. It has raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries. Then back here there's this whole strawberry as well. So I put like 2 of the whole strawberries, and I put the rest of the 3-berry blend right here. And with that cup, we're gonna dump it out. Come on, there you go. So that's all of our fruits. Put that away. Put our Greek yogurt now. How am I supposed to put that? Oh, let's take a spoon actually. Grab a spoon from there. Let's go dumping, dump. Oh, that didn't turn out that well. So we can put that away. And as I said, I'm gonna be using my little treat today. I'm gonna open it up. So there's a lot of vanilla ice cream. I'm not gonna use all of that, obviously. It's pretty obvious. I do my tablespoon. Ooh, that's a lot. Maybe shrink that off. Come on. And I think that's about a tablespoon. Just pop it out. Beep. You guys, what the ice cream will do, it'll just give it a little bit more sweetness if you guys want to, but you don't have to add it because I every once in a while do end up adding it because I just want to have that little bit of extra sweetness every now and then. But you don't have to. Close that up. And the main ingredient is going to be our milk. Take this off, put this away, let's grab our milk, and let's open it up. So it's up to here, that is around 400 ml, but I usually end up doing up to here, which is like probably 430 ml. So, all that milk. There we go. We can dump that in. Now then I always put my strainer on top. Put the milk to the side. Put this to the side, put that to the side. That in the back. And let's pick up the ice cream. Put it over there. So now, I'm going to put back on our lid. A friendly lid. Close it up. Put it on top of this thing's head. And the back will switch. Turn it on. This is the smoothie mode I was talking about. I'm pressing on and see? It'll automatically go. There you go. All finished. So this is our smoothie. This is up, put it in the back. And time for our strainer. Put that outside and open this bad boy up. So right here is our smoothie. A healthy smoothie. Right here. Now I'm gonna turn this thing around right there. Let's put that in. Oh, that's a lot. That right there. And right there, let's take this out like that. Spill it out, and that's one of the reasons why you're going to want to have a paper towel. But let's put that to the side. Have this. Put this like this. Close it up. And like that, we have our smoothie. Delish.